Good evening and welcome to 24 Local News HD. I'm Archie Staines.
And I'm Harrison Stansel. As you may have noticed by now, we are experiencing major natural disasters due to the fact of the sea level rising.
The death toll has now reached 1 million. We're now going to cross live to Rory Peters, who is experiencing an F9 tornado. How are you, Rory?
Thanks very much, guys. It's very windy here. We've got a tornado coming from north. Help me,
Oh my god, I think we've lost Rory. And we've lost power.
We're now going to cut live to our Campbelltown camera.
Oh my god, that cow's been locked up. Oh, we're going quick. It's really loud in here. We're going to cross live back to Rory Peters. Apparently the tornado is just hitting him now. How are you, Rory?
Thanks very much, guys. Sorry. The tornado seems to have calmed down. It's all good. Oh, Christ! It's a hurricane! Oh! Help me!
Greetings. It would appear that all of our available cameras have been taken out by the natural disasters present at this time. We have technicians standing by attempting to find a solution to the problem. In the meantime, we still have a few minutes of broadcasting time available, so we've decided to present to you our explanation of the rising sea levels. Over recent and older times, the sea levels have risen slowly due to the melting of the polar ice caps. Why have these ice caps been melting though? It's simple. Global warming. Whether you believe it's there or not, it's definitely occurring, and I'm going to hand over to Archie, who will give some more information on global warming while I assist in repairing our Campbelltown camera. Thanks, Archie.
Global warming has a major effect on the event of sea level rising. Things such as releasing hazardous gas into the atmosphere, deforestation, pollution, and various other things have an effect on global warming. Now you may ask, what does global warming have to do with the sea level rising? All of these effects release carbon dioxide, otherwise known as CO2, into the atmosphere, which the Earth's atmosphere traps and acts like a blanket, which keeps all the heat in from the Earth. This is otherwise known as the greenhouse effect. As the Earth warms up, the polar ice caps melt, which you can see in the photos and videos shown. As the polar ice caps melt, it increases the density of the water. As the water level rises, it can flood towns, cities, and settlements. I would now like to hand it over to my co-host, Harrison Stansel. How are you going, Harry?
So, what are the consequences of the sea level rising? Well, when sea levels rise rapidly, as they have been doing, even a small increase can have devastating effects on coastal habitats. As seawater reaches further inland, it can cause destructive erosion, wetland flooding, aquifer, and agricultural soil contamination, and loss of habitat for fish, birds, and also plants. Researchers are also suggested that the sea level rise in some locations would be higher from the global average because of local factors, including subsidence, the difference in ocean currents, erosion, and variations in land height, among others. However, the increasing sea level will see deadly storms that enter inland than they did earlier, putting their lives of every single living on Earth into risk.
Thanks for that, Harry and Rory, and thank you for tuning in to watch tonight's edition of 24 Local News. We'll see you in the next assignment.